Good sorry. Hello everyone. Myself Asha Rathod. I'm deal with the topic the home and the world in Mansfield and Gharabaide. This is my personal information. This is a hypothesis of my presentation. This is a question that how do Mansfield Park and Gharabaide conceptualize the economy of home and the world? Uh, and what does this reveal about the interplay between gender, class, and colonialized power structure in their respective socio-political contexts? And hypothesis in Mansfield Park by Jane Austen and Gharabaide by Rabindranath Tagore, the dichotomy of home and world reflect the tension between personal agency and societal expectation, while Mansfield Park critic calls hierarchies and gender role in a domestic English setting. Gharabaide explored the conflict between tradition and modernity in colonial India, showing us how both texts use the domestic space as a microscope to interrogate broader socio-political structures. So, introduction, the both novel "The Home and the World" by Rabindranath Tagore. It was published in 1916, and Jane Austen Mansfield Park. It was published in 1815. Share some enduring and similar themes, although widely separated by time, language, and country and culture. Both written within the realistic tradition. So, Austen's Mansfield Park set in the place of Mansfield Park, the title itself, and written in Romantic era. So both novel are connected with Romanticism, which become a conflict between the domestic and worldly or political state, the inner and outer. So both novel are inner and outer, and this conflict is played out in the sexual dynamics of the principal characters. So triangle plot we see in both novel. So by the Rabindranath Tagore, the major character is Nikhilesh, Bimla, and Sandeep, and Mansfield Park, Edmund, Fanny, and Henry. In that Mansfield Park, the protagonist of Fanny, who is attracted to love toward Edmund, she. And Gharabaide and Bimla, she is love toward Sandeep, of extramarital affair with Sandeep. Fanny and Bimla both are brought from their homes at an early age to live in wealthy household. So Fanny is a coming from poor family. So Fanny is live with his mother's sister, and at age of 10 years, and also Bimla is coming from not a wealthy family, but now she is living after their marriage. She is living with his husband Nikhilesh in wealthy house. They both come to love the older mentor figure. So Fanny's cousin Edmund is older than Fanny, and is Bimla's husband Nikhilesh, who is also older than Bimla. The concept of home and world. In home, Fanny, who is constant in her steadily enduring love for the Edmund, the home concept of love and loyalty. So Fanny is a love of Edmund, and same as in Gharabaide, in the home and the world, the Bimla is the devotion toward love for Nikhilesh, and in the world, the absence of love and loyalty. Sandeep is not attracted toward Bimla. He is cheated Bimla for money, and Edmund also not love of. Fanny. Edmund love Mary, who is a sister of Henry. Because of she is a bright, clever, immoral woman of the world, partly because she inhabits a social sphere with which he is unfamiliar. In Bimla's transportation to the house of Nikhilesh as a child bride is in the novel Home and the World, we can see that Bimla's transportation of she is not educated before marriage, but after Nikhilesh want to educated him, and admires for his wish to joining in the Swadeshi movement, and fight for India's independence. And The positive belief that she desired marriage to Edmund could be seen as the default ending, happy ending. In Mansfield Park by Jane Austen in Fanny, she desired to marry with Edmund, but after so many struggles, she find out a happy ending. Rather than something Fanny actively demand or earns inner and outer world. The inner and outer world come together, and Edmund no longer need to hide his misgiving about Mary from himself. Penny can now show her feeling for Edmund without the need for single self-discipline and dissimulated. So, in both novel, we can see that in Bimla's character, Nikhilesh also see the change behavior of Bimla, but he can't say she he's a speechless. And in Fanny's in Mansfield Park by Jane Austen in Fanny's character we see that Edmund's love for toward Mary, and in that one character is Maria, who is Henry's other sister. She is run away. She is married with someone, and she run away with Henry. So she has a chance to feeling herself for Edmund. As for Fanny, Nikhil and Fanny both see clearly what is happening but feel morally obliged not to act. So in both novel, we can see that Nikhilesh also sees Bimla's attracted toward Sandeep, and Fanny also see Edmund's attracted toward Mary. So, but both are speechless not to act, and so but Nikhil say here I put one original quote that if Bimla is not mine, she is not, and no amount of or fretting or arguing will serve to prove that she is. If my heart is breaking, let it break. Both their cases, Fanny and Nikhil, are shown directly considered mental and emotional energy inwards to rein in their heartache and to try to talk themselves out of their more extreme feeling of jealousy. There are also matching scenes where both these characters find solace in looking out at the night sky. So, Fanny also feels jealousy by showing attracted toward. Edmonds toward Mary, and also, but let it them do it. Nikhil thus is comforted by the star and what it means to him. For Fanny, stranging is equally romantic but rather more ambiguous. Mary has just been called away to sing with the other young woman, and Fanny and Edmund are standing by the window at Mansfield Park. They look out together to sing. So at conclusion, both novel and Mansfield Park and there were both female character sees conflict between traditional and modernity in colonial India. So this is my work citation. Thank you so much. Now you can ask question.
My question is that which character choice, Fanny or Bimla, have a greater impact on their respective societies?